Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this email tool. So to get started with a Beak app review. So Beak is a code tools designed to simplify outreach directly from your Gmail or Google Workspace account. It lets users create and send personalized email sequence with follow-up, schedule emails to avoid spam filters, and integrate with tools like Zipper. The interface is clean and easy to use, making it a solid choice for solo founders, freelancers, or small teams who want a lightweight Gmail outreach system without complicated setup. However, Beak is quite minimal and doesn't offer advanced features like detailed analytics, built-in CRM, or email warm-up tools. The free plan is limited to 10 emails per day and includes a sent with a Beak watermark, which might not be ideal for professionals outreach. Overall, Beak is worth it if you want a simple, no frill tools to send cold emails effectively, but it may not suit users who need a full-scale sales automation or data tracking. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.